The future of home entertainment might be closer than we think, and Apple is quietly preparing a game-changing device that could redefine the way we experience streaming forever, the upcoming Apple TV 4K 2025. The internet is on fire with leaks, insider reports, and whispers from reliable Apple sources that hint this isn't just another minor upgrade. This is Apple's biggest TV evolution in years, a true fusion of power, intelligence, and design. So what exactly is Apple hiding? Why are analysts calling this the most ambitious Apple TV ever made? And more importantly, how will it change your experience right from the moment you turn it on? Let's dive in, because what's coming might surprise even the most die-hard Apple fans. According to multiple trusted sources including McRumors, 9to5Mac, and Tom's Guide, Apple is gearing up to release its next-generation Apple TV 4K later this year, possibly during the holiday season, with major hardware and software upgrades. The new Apple TV will reportedly be powered by the same A17 Pro chip found inside the iPhone 15 Pro series, bringing console-level graphics and ultra-fast performance right into your living room. Think about that. A streaming device that can handle not just Netflix or Apple TV Plus in stunning 4K HDR, but also console-quality Apple Arcade games with zero lag. This chip could deliver a 30% boost in CPU and GPU performance compared to the A15 Bionic, meaning smoother UI transitions, instant app launches, and an overall snappier experience. But that's just the beginning. Apple seems to be building the 2025 Apple TV 4K as more than just a streaming box. It's being designed as the core of your smart home, integrating deeply with Apple's home ecosystem and upcoming Apple Intelligence features. Sources suggest it could include Apple's new N1 networking chip, combining Wi-Fi 6E or even Wi-Fi 7 connectivity with Thread and Bluetooth 5.3, creating a future-ready smart hub that connects every Apple device in your home with blazing speed and stability. Imagine controlling your entire home, lights, security cameras, doors, and thermostats, all from your TV screen using nothing but your voice or simple hand gestures. Yes, you heard that right. Leaks from tvOS code indicate that Apple might finally add a built-in camera, potentially enabling FaceTime calls on your TV, gesture control for navigation, and even AI-powered motion tracking for games or fitness apps. This aligns perfectly with Apple's long-term vision of making every device in your home intelligent, aware, and seamlessly connected. And speaking of software, tvOS 26, which Apple previewed at WWDC 2025, is bringing a complete visual refresh known as the Liquid Glass interface. It's sleek, fluid, and filled with subtle animations that make even simple menu browsing feel premium. The OS will introduce smarter personalized recommendations, automatic profile switching, and tighter integration with your Apple ID, so your content follows you, whether you're on your iPhone, iPad, or TV. There's even talk that Apple is exploring deeper AI-driven curation. Think of your Apple TV learning your viewing habits to suggest shows and movies that actually fit your mood, powered by on-device processing for full privacy. On top of that, FaceTime on Apple TV will reportedly get a major upgrade. Not only better video and audio quality, but also new collaborative tools that turn your living room into a communication hub. You could be watching a movie with friends remotely, share reactions in real time, or join meetings without ever touching your phone. The Apple TV 4K 2025 might even be capable of running simplified versions of visionOS apps, bridging the gap between the Apple Vision Pro and your TV screen. Imagine syncing your Vision headset with your Apple TV for an immersive shared experience, the kind of cross-device magic only Apple can deliver. Now let's talk design, because while Apple might not reinvent the box, subtle changes are expected. Early leaks indicate a slightly slimmer form factor with a smoother matte finish, reduced weight, and better thermal management. Apple is rumored to be focusing on sustainability again, using recycled aluminum and plastic in its construction. The remote, a crucial piece of the Apple TV experience, could also receive minor but meaningful tweaks. Some insiders claim Apple is experimenting with a new Siri remote featuring haptic feedback, more precise touch controls, and even a tiny color screen for adaptive buttons. Whether or not that makes it into the final version remains to be seen. But the idea alone shows Apple's ambition to make even the smallest detail feel special. Price is where things get interesting. Some reports suggest Apple could introduce a lower-cost variant to compete with Roku and Amazon Fire TV, possibly starting around $99, while a premium version with advanced features might sit around $149 to $179. Either way, Apple seems serious about expanding its market reach. And with Apple rebranding its streaming service from Apple TV Plus to just Apple TV, there's clear evidence they're unifying their hardware and content under one powerful brand identity. It's not just about streaming. It's about creating an entire ecosystem of entertainment. Now, while the leaks are exciting, not everything is confirmed. The inclusion of a camera remains speculative, and we don't yet know how Apple Intelligence, Apple's new AI platform, will fully integrate into the Apple TV. However, analysts believe this device will be AI-ready, meaning as Apple rolls out new intelligence features, this hardware will be capable of running them natively. Think voice summaries, smart recommendations, automatic scene calibration, and personalized sound profiles, all happening directly on the device without sending data to the cloud. And speaking of sound, the next Apple TV might also introduce improved Dolby Atmos processing, low-latency Bluetooth for AirPods, and a new adaptive audio mode that adjusts sound balance in real time depending on your room's acoustics. Combine that with potential support for 8K upscaling and higher HDR frame rates, and we're looking at a serious cinematic experience. Even the small details, like instant device pairing through your iPhone or syncing with your HomePod mini speakers, are expected to get smoother and faster. Apple's focus this year is clearly on integration, making your living room a part of a bigger Apple world. Imagine watching a movie and seeing your iPhone automatically suggest trivia or actor bios on screen, or using your Apple Watch to pause playback with a gesture. The possibilities are endless, and that's exactly what makes the 2025 Apple TV so intriguing. Apple isn't just upgrading specs, it's evolving the way we interact with technology. And when you look at the bigger picture, it all connects to Apple's long-term ecosystem strategy. The Apple TV is becoming more than a streaming box. It's turning into the brain of your smart home and entertainment setup, seamlessly connecting your iPhone, iPad, Watch, Vision Pro, and even your car through Apple Intelligence. That's why every new leak feels like a puzzle piece in a much larger plan. From a performance standpoint, the A17 Pro chip is a beast, capable of running complex 3D environments, ultra-fast image processing, and real-time AI computations. Developers are already speculating that Apple could open new gaming opportunities on the Apple TV platform, potentially introducing titles that were once exclusive to console systems. Imagine playing visually stunning games like Resident Evil Village or No Man's Sky directly on your TV, powered purely by Apple's silicon. No console required. That's the kind of leap that could put Apple TV back on the map for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. And while competitors like Amazon and Google are fighting for streaming dominance, Apple's strategy seems clear. Go premium, go powerful, and make every experience deeply personal. So should you wait for the 2025 Apple TV 4K? If these leaks turn out to be true, absolutely. This is shaping up to be the most advanced streaming device ever built, and it's not just about what's on the screen. It's about how the device becomes part of your life. With cutting-edge silicon, next-gen wireless technology, a stunning new interface, and potential AI integration, the upcoming Apple TV 4K isn't just a small update. It's a massive step toward the future of connected entertainment. Whether you're watching your favorite shows, gaming with friends, or managing your entire home, Apple wants this device to be at the center of it all. And if history tells us anything, Apple doesn't release products just to compete. They release them to change the game. So, as the leaks continue and the countdown begins, one thing's for sure. The Apple TV 4K 2025 might be the silent